So this is my Cockatiel Doppler, and Doppler will be a year old this week, and he has developed a crush on my wife, who is over here. So what I mean by this is I'm going to stand here, just watch Doppler when she comes in, and what he'll do, you'll see him put his wings out and start showing off. He might even wolf whistle at her. He can wolf whistle and sing a few songs. So here it goes. Come on in, Murray. As soon as he see her, he start paying attention. Showing off his wings. Starts dancing around. There's the wolf whistle.
Sings a song for me.
He's singing the Andy Griffith song for her.
Trying to pull him away.
So anyway, I can't seem to get him to train. I'm trying to teach him a new song, but I can't seem to get him to do anything but pay attention to her. Yeah, starting to get a little jealous, bird. That's the Superman song.